Alright, Rob Frazier here. This video. Going to be getting into talking about safelists. There's a lot of marketers out there who say safelists are a waste of time and that they aren't worth your time. And I've used safelists off and on for a while. This right here is just one of the safe lists that I use called Listjoe. And I'm going to just highlight a couple things here. First, this gentleman right here, Rob 4, he has a spotlighted ad here on the Listjoe platform. What does that have to do with anything? Well, you can confirm this through your own research. Rob 4 is a confirmed multimillionaire in affiliate marketing, made millions of dollars over however long since he's been in the industry, which has been a long time. He's an older gentleman. He's advertising here. So if a multi-millionaire confirmed in affiliate marketing is advertising on a safe list, is that do you think he'll be wasting his time advertising here, or he's advertising here for a reason? Again, he's made millions of dollars and he's advertising his business here on Listjoe, which is a safe list. So that's one thing to think about. Another thing from my own personal use of this account is that one of the biggest things in affiliate marketing is email marketing, creating ads, and things along that nature. The biggest thing that I've got from Listjoe is this right here. And these right here are my ads that I've sent over the course of, since I've been on here, since 2014. You can see different headlines, and on average I send around 1,000 emails every single day, or I'm sorry, every 3 days. Sometimes it goes up, sometimes it goes down, but as a free member, which I am, been a free member for a while, you send out 1,000 emails. Basically, you send out 1,000 emails to 1,000 Listjoe members every 3 days, and it's not the same 1,000 people. And what you get over time is data, real data that you can use. You can see, okay, you see the number of emails sent, and most importantly, you see the number of clicks. This is what you should be looking at. A lot of people are saying, oh, well, these things are a waste of time. Well, number one, confirmed millionaire advertising on a platform. I doubt he's going to waste money advertising on a platform that's not getting him results. And also, these are my own, this is what I use for my email marketing. This is what I use to create ads. Just these numbers right here, number of emails sent and number of clicks. So as you can see, different headlines that I've used over the course, and different clicks. So let's make money and not spend anymore. Sent it to 1,000 people, got 33 clicks. Okay, that's a headline, and I can actually load my email message as well. I'm not going to do that in this video, trying to keep it short. But the point is, using different headlines, looking at different emails, and seeing what got me more clicks and what got me less clicks. That's the most important thing, is just paying attention to the data that's coming back. I believe, and I've done this in the beginning, when I started affiliate marketing, I just was not looking at my numbers. I sent out an ad, I didn't make any money. What's the problem? Instead of looking at things that I could worry about and change, such as how many people are clicking on the links in my email. Why did that one email I send out get 33 clicks, and then another email I sent out get only 14 clicks? So hopefully you can see the different ads I'm pulling out here. This email, how to get fresh leads every day, sent it to 1,015 Listjoe members and only got 14 clicks. So why did that message get 14 clicks and this other message get 33 clicks? And then, so that being said, In the future, I want more of my emails to be like this one that got me 33 clicks. And that's how you improve on your marketing. So it's not even just about trying to get results from the platform. It's just about taking the data that you are getting and improving upon your skills. Because then when I go and buy a solo ad from a more traditional place, or a YouTube ad or something, and then I'm emailing my email list, I know what type of emails will get me more clicks, and I'm learning what type of emails will get me less clicks. So for example, this one, I hated home business opportunities till I find this. Sent it to 560 people, but I only got 16 clicks. Finally, the smartest alternative. These are email subject lines. Obviously, the numbers, it only got sent to 360 people, only got 8 clicks. That has a lot to do with it as well, but all of these ones to where I have 1,000 people, 23 clicks, 29 clicks, 14 clicks. So obviously, how to get fresh leads every day, and if I want to load that message, I'm going to load that message and see why did this one only get 14 clicks when some of my other ones have been getting higher. Like, so for example, become a super affiliate in just 12 minutes, 8 clicks. That's an email I do not want to use, compared to some of these other emails where I'm getting higher click-through rates. That is what you want to pay attention to, and that's how you become better in affiliate marketing, by tracking everything and saying, okay, this, and separating sales from it. The first, you have to focus on the first thing first. The first thing is, I'm sending out emails using SafeList. They're very, very simple, free to use. I'm sending out emails to the SafeList. I send out 1,000 emails every 3 days. Okay, that's the constant. That's like the control. Like, I don't know if you, any biology majors or people who done chemistry, you have a control. And so that's usually like a hard and fast rule. So for here, Listjoe, the control is 1,000 emails every 3 days. Okay, boom, I can't change that. All right, the only thing I can change and tweak is my email subject lines and the amount of clicks I'm getting to my links. And then from there, you can say, okay, this one, 1,000 emails, 11 clicks. That email kind of sucked. This other one, I got effed up. 1,000 emails, 11 clicks. Okay, those emails I might want to get rid of. And let me find something that had a higher. From struggling to stacking, 1,071 emails, a little bit more, but I also did get 29 clicks. So that's an email I want to save and put on my own quote-unquote swipe file. Basically, a big folder on my computer that has all of my emails that are giving me results. And that's what you get from using these safe lists, alongside of getting leads on your email list and eventually getting signups, because it does happen. You just have to stay consistent. And if looking at this video, you can see my inconsistency. Sporadic emails from 2014, 2015, now I'm back in 2021, and I'm back hot on using these safe lists. So that is what you want to pay attention to. Pay attention to the data that's coming back in. And safe lists are a solid place for you to have a control. 1,000 emails every 3 days, okay, boom. Then I can just work on tweaking my email subject lines. Because when you start to spend big money on quote-unquote better platforms, you want to make sure your emails are converting. And this is how you can test it. This is how you can tweak it. This is how you can find your marketing voice to improve your emails, to improve your click-through rate, so you can get more people clicking on your website, more people opting in, and then you can worry about converting those people into sales down the line, which is another topic in another video. So that being said, underneath this video, I'm going to include my Listjoe link. Create a free account. Send out 1,000 emails every 3 days. Start working on your email marketing. Just look at your, just start trying stuff. And that's what these safe lists are good for. So that being said, Rob Fraser here, wrapping this video up. I'll also include a link below this video to my perpetual traffic plan. This right here is just one aspect of it. I put together a 7-day series where I walk you through absolutely everything I'm doing for traffic from A to Z. Also, there's a few affiliate programs in that as well, but that's how this thing works. So those links will be underneath this video. Have any questions, leave it underneath this video. Tell me your experience, share with me some other things you're going through, and just let me know what you think about these quote-unquote junk safe lists. Some people swear by them. There's, in fact, 2 gentlemen going around buying up all of the safe list, and they are, there's the reason they're buying up all the safe lists is because they're starting to monopolize on all of the traffic, and they wouldn't be wasting their money buying up all of the safe list if it wasn't making them money. And I know for a fact that's what these 2 gentlemen do. They do 100% safe list marketing. Something to think about. Rob Frazier here. Links are below. We'll see you in the next one. Peace!